When it comes to refreshing drinks, mango and passion smoothie is one of my most favorite because I absolutely love mangoes, and also passion are my third favorite fruit. So in this recipe, I'm going to be showing you a 3-ingredient smoothie recipe, which is going to turn out creamy, delicious, and it's going to be super filling. For this recipe, you're going to need some mangoes. I have 5 passion fruits and milk, and these are the few ingredients which you're going to buy to make this delicious mango passion smoothie. So I'm going to start off by peeling my mangoes, and as you can see, the mangoes are very ginormous. If you're going to be buying medium-sized mangoes, you're going to get around 6 yeah. Using a small paring knife, I'm going to cut my mango, and this is how it looks on the inside. As you can see, it's looking so juicy. So using my paring knife, I'm going to peel my mango. Once done, I'm going to transfer my mango into a bowl. Then you're going to finish off peeling the rest of the mangoes. You're going to get all the mango from the pit. Just make sure not to waste any mangoes because, yeah, mangoes are so yum. Once done, you're going to transfer your mango to your blender. Add in 1.5 cups of milk. And lastly, you're going to add in your passion pulp. When done, you're going to cover your blender. Blend everything until smooth. When perfectly blended, your smoothie is ready to chill so that you can enjoy. This is 2 liters of smoothie from 3 mangoes. So now I'm carefully going to add into my glasses. Just look at that. There's something about plating foods or drinks in elegant utensils that makes it very catchy. As you can see, my mango passion smoothie is looking so good, very creamy, delicious. It's not too light, it's not too heavy, it's just in between. So which makes it a perfect drink whenever it's mango season and whenever you wish or like to enjoy some delicious smoothie.